Hey there, stargazers! Mark your calendars for Thursday, March 13th, 2025, because you won't want to miss the total lunar eclipse. It's been over 2 years since North America last witnessed this celestial spectacle, and this one's set to be a stunner. The viewing conditions couldn't be better for most of the United States and Canada. The western parts of the continent will have the best seats in the house, but the show will be visible from coast to coast. The totality, when the moon is completely immersed in Earth's shadow, will last an impressive 1 hour and 6 minutes. That's longer than usual, and it's sure to captivate amateur astronomers and curious onlookers alike. If you're on the West Coast, the eclipse will happen during the convenient evening hours, perfect for hosting a neighborhood eclipse party. Across the pond in Europe and Africa, the moon will set while still in total eclipse, making for a dramatic end to your Thursday night. And for our friends in New Zealand and eastern Siberia, the moon will rise already in totality on your Friday evening. Now let's break down what you'll see during this lunar eclipse. First, the moon enters the penumbra, the pale outer portion of Earth's shadow. Although the eclipse officially starts here, you won't notice much at first. But as the moon moves deeper into the penumbra, a subtle shading will appear on its left side. This will gradually become more evident, creating a smudge-like effect. Next, the moon enters the umbra, Earth's dark central shadow. A small dark scallop will appear on the moon's lower left-hand limb, signaling the start of the partial phases. As the minutes pass, the shadow will creep across the moon's face, turning it dimly orange, red, or brown. When 3/4 of the moon is covered, you'll notice it glowing faintly, like heated iron. The umbra's outer portion is light enough to reveal lunar seas and craters, but the central part is much darker. The colors vary from reds and grays to browns and blues, making each eclipse unique. As totality approaches, the contrast between the remaining yellow sliver and the reddish-brown moon creates the Japanese lantern effect, a term coined by astrophotographer Peter A. Levens. Once the moon is entirely within the umbra, the total eclipse begins. The moon might appear as a bright orange ball or nearly vanish from view, depending on Earth's atmospheric conditions. During totality, the moon will shine much fainter, with its lower portion appearing darkest and its upper portion brightest. Away from city lights, you'll see many more stars in the sky. The moon will lie near the border of the constellations Leo and Virgo, and the surrounding landscape will take on a somber hue. As the eclipse ends, the moon will gradually emerge from the shadow, and the Japanese lantern effect will reappear. Finally, the penumbral shadow will fade away, marking the end of this breathtaking celestial event. So grab your binoculars, set up your telescopes, and get ready for an unforgettable night under the stars. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Happy stargazing!